Buccaneers. Today we're going to unbox and review Familiar Tales from Plaid Games. This is designed by Jerry Hawthorne and it is a story crafting game. And up here it says stop. Before you begin, visit familiartalesgames.com for a tutorial. And then on the back, it says it's for ages 8 to up, 1 to 4 players, and duration 45 minutes. And I wonder how you can play with one player. That'll be interesting. And also there's other games just like this with a storybook, since there's a storybook picture. Oops. And from the back of it, it looks like there's a storybook. And in other Plaid games like this, like Stuffed Fables and Quirky Circuits and Forgotten Waters, they all have storybooks, and they were all really good. So you must have the app to play the game, or else I don't know how you play. And now we can unbox it. It's a pretty thick box. That's why I can't stand up like some boxes. You can barely see my face. So first of all, there's a rule book. There's this little piece of paper that reminds you how you set up, like it looks like a market. Oh, there's health dials. There's health dials. More punch outs. These are the people, I think. So you can be like a stone golem, a froggish Robin Hood, a fairy, and a fox, I think. There's a market that you can set up. Oh, okay. Oh, there's these player mats. Oh, here's the location book. Just like all the other Plaid games. The first one has a little robber, it looks like. And then this one map. And there's the robber. Here are the hero attributes. Okay, this is definitely not a hero. Oh, this is the very first person. The very first bad guy that we just saw. There's a little monster. So cute. Oh, of course, they have to have like a witch. A farmer. Another witch. Oh, this is just like Stuffed Fables. This is just like Stuffed Fables. There's gonna be a bunch of the same stuff. And see, circle means leader. And if there's only one of that means it's a boss. Whoa. Wait, this has to be a hero. I think this was a hero. Well, this feels so cool. It's so big. Look, this thing is the size of my pinky, basically. This thing is almost 3 thumbs. It's so big. Here are player mats for the fox, the fairy, the toad, and a number 3 mat, X mat, a 2 mat. Oh, here's the stone mat. A stone. And then, oh, here's the character board. There are 4 for the fox. Oh, it's called Chalk. So the stone is called Chalk, Blaze, Gribbet, and Flicker. Oh, here are the health dial pieces. Oh, there's a die. It looks like a killer mix. That means 12 sides. You can cube on this. There's these gems. More health dials. These little standees. Cards. More cards. I don't know if we're supposed to see the backboard. I don't know. and more cards. We're gonna play this game and come back with our final thoughts. And we're back. The objective of the game is to work with other familiars to complete the quest on each of the chapters. On your turn, you can play as many cards as you want. You can move, search for food, and fight. Each familiar has their own unique power. My favorite character is Chalk because he has a ton of lives and he can carry people and fight really well. What I really like about this game is the tutorial because it teaches you how to set up and how to play. Over here it shows you how to set up the game and it shows you how to play your turn. We thought the tutorial had ended, so we were about to watch a video on how to play, and then we found out that there was more of the tutorial, so we were able to play without any problems. The app in this game is great because just like in Forgotten Waters, another Plaid game, you can press the play button and it will read the whole story to you, and it has great character voices and music and sound effects.
Lightning crashed as the sound of frantic pounding came from outside the cottage door. Old Marilius called out,
Hold on! Goodness me!
I really like this game because I like deck builders and cooperative games. And plus the familiars are all very cute. I can't wait to play more of this game. If this looks fun to you, you can purchase this at the link in the description. Bye!